Hey everyone, I'm Radhika Mangal and welcome to Whip with Raj Radhika. So today our niche is all about ending procrastination and laziness, which is I guess the routine of the hour in today's time. So to enlighten this and elaborate it, today we have a content creator, the very brilliant Mr. Sachin Kothari. Hi Sachin and welcome to Whip with Raj Radhika.
Hello Radhika, how are you doing? All
I'm
good?
doing good. Thank you for joining. So, Sachin, today our niche is
Okay.
all about ending procrastination and laziness, right? So, first of all, we would
Yeah.
love to know from you what, as per your opinion, is India is literally suffering from the procrastination and laziness?
See, first of all, Radhika, before I start with this topic, I want to relate this topic to myself. That this procrastination I have been victim of this.
Uh-huh.
Not today, but yeah, a year ago. And my life was very clumsy. I had many goals. And then, it at times, whenever you do something, there's a lot of distractions and you come across and the poisonous environment that you have to remove as soon as it's possible. Okay. And you know what, and then I personally believe that, and I went through a lot of mentors, coaches everywhere. They said do this, do that. But then, at times I believe कि you have to talk to yourself. You have to at times तुमको पूछना पड़ेगा what you want. Okay,
Exactly.
because it's like, for example, if I'm interested in digital marketing, not everybody is interested in it. I have to ask myself how can I achieve it by scheduling my time or whatever. Okay, so that's the main point. And yes, now I can tell you that, see, procrastination, laziness are two different words. So I cannot just say that they are two mixing up. See, laziness
Uh-huh.
are the people who don't do anything and they are fine with it. Okay, but
Exactly.
procrastinators are the person who wants to do something. They have a desire, but they don't have any force to apply that or accomplish that. Okay,
Exactly.
so I have gone through a lot of 5 to 6 things which I would like to share. Like the most important thing is perfectionist, because many people are trying to, they get at times bogged down and they feel, यार मेरे को perfect चाहिए ये चीज. So in if you're achieving something for perfection, you won't get it, because everybody makes mistake. You have to
True.
be at times very clear with your goals. Okay. Secondly, I would say people are very distractible. They at times they get distracted by the environment, or so, for
Exactly.
example, if you're doing something, somebody calls you up, कि चलो नीचे आते हैं, चलो कुछ खेलते हैं, करते हैं. But I think this is not possible. You have to at times make a schedule, and you have to do according to your priorities, not about others' priority. Okay. And people are very anxious about themselves, like about the work, about the future aspect. This issue is very problematic, because whenever whenever this happens, and because of this increased procrastination, the anxious also increases. Okay. So, and one more thing is very important, which I have gone through, that is fear of evaluation. Because
Okay.
many people are
Exactly.
getting
People say
fear
that.
of course. People get evaluated, and uh, they are like, it's just like they have the topics, they have everything, but the most important thing, they get fear by everything, like they have to do something, but they are worrying about other people, कि यार वो लोग क्या बोलेंगे if it's not done. They get
True.
fatigued, or like कल कर लेंगे, चलो ये कर लेंगे. So these are the problems which causes
Procrastination.
procrastination.
Actually, you said it very correct. For me, distraction is I guess, the main problem behind the procrastination. Because in today's time, technology is booming. I guess social media is booming. It's like super interesting that the social media is a part of our life. But if
Yes,
use that social media in proper way, then only can it be beneficial for us. We are only surfing the feeds, we are only surfing their names, that name, we are only surfing the celebrities every time, but we are getting zero returns from it. We are investing, I guess, 15 to 16 hours on our social media with even zero returns. If we just start imagining that the social media will give started return to us, then where we can reach, right? And that we can do by like
absolutely,
mobile marketing, digital marketing, many sources through which we can earn through mobile also. So exactly,
of
distraction
course,
is
of
the
course.
main cause behind the procrastination for me
This is the
actually.
poisonous. I think this is a poisonous one, because I have also gone through this. You know, every time whenever I used to
Every
start
youth have
something,
gone through
somebody
this, I guess.
exactly. This is the most common problem somebody has gone through, and the most important right now. If you talk about around 6 to 7 years ago, people then didn't have any smartphones or and at that moment we were not even interested in Facebook as also, so we were
True.
very good with their times. But right now the generation which are coming, they are into Twitter, they're into Instagram. Every time they used to increase followers.
Yeah.
So I think their main focus has increased, कि social media में कुछ बनना है rather than their goals. Exactly.
And actually, it's good कि अगर हम social media को भी use कर रहे हैं as a weapon in a good way, because the future is all about social media, I guess. ये पढ़ाई तो कुछ काम नहीं
Exactly.
आनी.
Of
Yeah,
course that,
that's
of
right.
course.
And like Sachin, how you try to overcome the procrastination and how you already overcome your procrastination from being zero and you have reached up to this level where you are right now. So what's your journey behind becoming what you are today, and how challenges what challenges have you faced? How you overcome the procrastination, laziness? Could you please just briefly explain your journey?
Yeah, of course. See, Radhika, the most important thing is, and see, I have seen that if people are not organized well before whatever they want to do, they
Mm-hmm.
cannot accomplish anything. Like, for example, if you say, I really want to wake up tomorrow at 5 o'clock, but I can wake up at 5 o'clock, it's not that. My alarm will, of course, I have to snooze it again and again for 5 minutes, 5 minutes. I will wake up. But then after waking up, what will I do? I have I have not even made a lot of schedule also. So how will I proceed with the goal? So first of all, you have to be very organized and clear with your goals, what you actually want to do. Okay. Secondly, I would say you can break your larger task into smaller pieces, because many people are getting feared. They fear by large task कि यार इतना लग गया, इतना घंटे लग गए, टाइम जा रहा है, क्या करो. So I think you have to do it in small pieces ताकि जल्दी जल्दी हो भी जाए and you feel relaxed. Okay. And first of all, the most important thing I will say, please stop being perfection. लोगों के अंदर पता है vision है कि मेरे को perfect बनना है. You cannot become perfect until you don't commit mistakes, because everyone is not a perfect. Right now we are still learning. I'm not saying I'm perfect. I still say I'm
Exactly.
not. I'm still learning. So you cannot be perfect all the time. You have to commit mistakes. Then only you will slowly and slowly, you will get on the
Exactly.
vision.
Mistakes are part of
Okay.
life.
Exactly, exactly. And fourth one, I will say distraction. I think I have already said you that you have to overcome the distractions, because I've seen many people that they commit, they put up things and they do something which gratifies them. They are removing all the tasks which they really want to do. For example, like I love to play chess. तो अभी होता है ना कि I have already scheduled one thing that I will work till 10 o'clock. After 10 I will play chess. फिर कुछ भी आ जाए मेरे को chess खेलना है. I will not do any sort of works, because every time if you talk about work, so it becomes very burden for you. You cannot move ahead. So I think you still need some kinds of relax. Okay. And most probably, if you say you have to keep rewarding yourself, whatever smaller achievements you are getting, you have to reward yourself. And please don't depend on others. Many people they have the startup thoughts, but they are waiting for people. अरे यार यहाँ से अगर मेरे को एक एक होता है ना कि mentors, if they push you कि yeah Sachin go for it, then only I'll proceed. I don't think you should go for it. You should ask yourself. You have to give push to yourself. Then only you can proceed. So these are the kind of stuff you have to maintain before you start. I think procrastination is the biggest problem nowadays also, and yeah, so you can follow this kind of, which already helped me since zero to I actually get surprised what I was 1 year ago, and after the COVID what I am. So at times I feel okay, I am Sachin Kothari, which I was very clumsy with my life.
That means you have become your best version during the COVID time, you all can say.
Absolutely.
All right. Okay, Sachin. So, just lastly, you have already said there is no mantra for ending procrastination and laziness. So, any one
No.
word you want to address to the audience, any one word related to a selected niche that ending procrastination, laziness, and be the best version of yourself.
I would say, first of all, it's not a laziness. I have already said you have to separate this word laziness, because many people are connecting this laziness with the procrastination, and laziness is a kind of thing which you don't मन नहीं करता मेरे को. They don't have even have the vision. They don't have desire to. They only want to sleep. अच्छा मैं उठूंगा ये करूंगा ये खेलूंगा करूंगा. They will, as you said, social media करते रहेंगे 15-16 घंटा. They have that vision, and procrastinators are the person who have the force, but they want to push from it. So I think it's high time you should wake up and think about yourself, make a schedule, go for it.
Actually said it right, very right. Like there is no term, I guess, procrastination, laziness. If we do have that willpower or that fire inside,
Of
we want
course,
to achieve or we want to
absolutely,
reach at that level. It all depends upon us. Ki
absolutely,
we are procrastinating that thing or not, because हमें ही at
absolutely.
last achieve करना. Nobody will come and support us, right?
Nobody
At
will
the
come.
back end. So that's all.
Yes,
All right, Sachin. Thank you. It's lovely talking to you. We got to know that there just have willpower and we can easily end this procrastination, these laziness term both are totally
absolutely,
opposite.
absolutely. Thank you so much for inviting me.